Welcome to the Explainer. Now, Europe's rivers and canals, they're absolutely the lifeblood of its economy, but they're facing a bit of a crisis. So today, we're exploring a really ambitious EU project that aims to secure their future.
Let's dive right in. You see, these waterways are under immense pressure. We're talking climate change, aging infrastructure, and some pretty fierce competition. To meet these challenges head-on, the European Union is funding a truly groundbreaking initiative. Right. Over the next few minutes, we're going to explore the CRISTAL project. We'll look at its ambitious goals, its innovative solutions, and how it's paving the way for a much more sustainable future for transport in Europe.
But first, why is a project like this so necessary? Well, the challenges are significant and, frankly, they're multifaceted. You've got strong competition from road transport, which is far more polluting. The infrastructure itself is aging, and it requires some very costly modernization. Climate change is causing extreme weather like floods and droughts. And on top of that, there are low levels of digitalization and a general public perception of waterway transport as just being slow.
So the crucial point is, how do you respond effectively? Well, let's introduce the solution. The project is called CRISTAL. It stands for Climate Resilient and Environmentally Sustainable Transport Infrastructure, with a real focus on inland waterways, of course. And it's funded by the European Union under the CRISTAL program. Now, what's really interesting here are its specific, measurable goals. First up, a minimum target increase of 20% in the share of freight transport on inland waterways. That's a huge boost. And second, a really dramatic improvement in the reliability of the system. We're talking an 80% target for reliability improvement at the project's 3 pilot sites. And it achieves this by focusing on the untapped potential of smaller, commercially undeveloped feedwater routes. These are the key to expanding Europe's entire waterway system. Okay, let's move on to the project structure and see how this all builds a framework for success. You know, this is a truly collaborative European effort. It brings together 15 partners from 9 different countries over a 36-month period, and they're working across 12 distinct work packages to deliver its goals. But where are these innovative solutions actually being put to the test? Well, 3 strategic pilot sites have been chosen to test and implement solutions. You've got the Po River in Italy, the Vistula and Odra rivers over in Poland, and the Moselle in France. Let's just take the Po River pilot in Italy as an example. I mean, this covers a vast hydrologic area, and it impacts nearly 20 million people across 8 regions. It's a huge, complex, and vital system where CRISTAL solutions could have a massive impact. So, what are the tangible outcomes we can expect from all this extensive work? Well, the project aims to deliver some really concrete tools that will redefine logistics and hopefully recover the unused potential of inland navigation. Step 1. Ready-made guidelines for creating what's called synchromodal transport corridor management systems. Step 2. A comprehensive real-time monitoring system for water levels and hydrological conditions. And Step 3. A decision support system and an open data platform for resource planning. And this quote, I think, illustrates the bigger picture brilliantly. CRISTAL's work will contribute towards a seamless connectivity between different transport modes, all with the aim to improve freight transport sustainability and to reach the Agenda 2030 climate target plan. It directly aligns the project's success with the European Union's highest-level goals. This is really why this matters. You see, CRISTAL isn't just a project. It is a potential blueprint for the future of European transport. So the question becomes, how can we ensure the lessons from CRISTAL are applied across all Europe's waterways to create a truly resilient and sustainable transport network for the future? To learn more about this pioneering initiative, you should visit the official CRISL project website. Thanks for joining us.